Every pharmaceutical capsule begins with raw biological material collected at industrial scale. Strict transport systems preserve the material before processing can begin. Thousands of kilograms arrive daily at specialized extraction facilities. Inside these controlled facilities, raw bone material enters a highly regulated chain. Automation reduces handling while maintaining industrial hygiene standards. The first purification stage removes residue, fats, and surface contaminants. Only carefully selected material advances into pharmaceutical-grade processing. From here, the transformation into pharmaceutical gelatin officially begins. Heat, pressure, and precision chemistry unlock the collagen hidden inside every bone. Inside this industrial complex, raw collagen is refined into medical-grade material. Strict hygiene protocols protect every stage of pharmaceutical production. Mechanical filtration isolates the valuable collagen-rich solution. Each filtration stage removes microscopic impurities from the solution. Temperature stability is critical before the gelatin conversion begins. Controlled evaporation concentrates the purified gelatin into usable form. The liquid now enters one of the most delicate stages of the process. Before capsules can exist, the gelatin must first become perfectly stable. Precise airflow removes moisture without damaging the gelatin structure. Uniform thickness is essential for reliable capsule production. The dried gelatin is reduced into a form suitable for final processing. Exact formulations determine the flexibility and strength of every capsule. Controlled heating transforms the blend into liquid pharmaceutical gelatin. This is where pharmaceutical capsules begin taking shape. Careful drying gives the capsules their final strength and flexibility. Precision engineering separates thousands of capsule shells every minute.
Polishing removes microscopic residue before pharmaceutical filling begins.
Automation positions every capsule with near-perfect precision. Inside controlled environments, active ingredients move without contamination. Every dose is measured with pharmaceutical accuracy. The two capsule halves become one sealed pharmaceutical product. Even invisible residue must be removed before approval.
Every variable is carefully controlled to maintain pharmaceutical consistency.
Computer-guided dosing ensures precise process conditions. Controlled reactions reshape the material into a highly refined form. Multiple purification stages enhance quality and uniformity. Moisture control plays a vital role in product preparation. The product is carefully conditioned for the next manufacturing stage. Production moves continuously toward the finishing phase. Automation transforms refined material into a usable production form. The refined product is now ready for precision finishing and final shaping. Advanced inspection systems verify dimensional accuracy. Carefully regulated drying stabilizes the capsule structure. Every capsule shell must meet strict manufacturing specifications. Environmental control helps ensure consistency across every batch. Polishing enhances both appearance and manufacturing quality. Only compliant products continue through the manufacturing process. Human oversight works alongside automation to maintain quality. Production output is gathered and prepared for final testing. Before packaging, every batch must prove it meets pharmaceutical standards. Every batch is tracked throughout the entire quality process. Exact dimensions are essential for reliable pharmaceutical performance. Structural integrity is verified through rigorous testing procedures. Environmental stability is confirmed through detailed analysis. Purity standards are verified before any product reaches the market. With testing complete, production advances to final packaging.
Proved products now enter the final stage of preparation. Automated systems ensure exact quantities in every package.
Every container is filled with precision and consistency.
Every shipment leaves the factory under strict logistical control. An industrial process powered by precision, labor, and relentless scale.